Hi, I'm Martin Roesch and I'm a mental spiritual psycho-oncologist. That means I'm working with cancer patients, in addition complementary to the clinical side. Now this is quite an odd notion, mental spiritual psycho-oncologist. What do I mean with it? It's just that my focus is not only on the treatment of psychological aspects such as fear or stress or depression tendencies. I want to broaden the framework. I would like to support my patients to find access to the hidden, to the deeper or higher layers of their consciousness, which all of us have. Now, one such means of reaching into other level of consciousness is a guided meditation. For instance, with the objective to communicate with your body, with organs, or even with cells. You can be surprised which messages can appear seemingly out of nothing. But just as well, there is the search for structures and patterns. What is it that you today experience in the health dimension, emotionally? Where have you experienced that before in other areas, like in childhood, in youth, in education, in profession, in relationships? And if common structures can be found, then it is a starting point. A big potential is in the field of energies, forces that have an effect on us. What still needs to be pacified in the inner child of us, or checking whether there are energies that do not belong to us. Because that you can't see these energies does not mean they are not existing. I feel it's a largely underestimated dimension. What we experience is in the body. Horrible, traumatic stuff, stress stuff, epigenetic hidden aspects. It's all in the body. It's with the biochemicals, the neurotransmitters, the muscle tensions, the hormones, signal proteins, etc. And all energy represents itself in the body. So here we have to find the meta level to then pacify it and dissolve it. We have a rather big toolbox here, meditations, mediations, matrix, that's the energy stuff, migrations, etc. The crucial point, however, is that you as a patient, as a human being, you need to experience it yourself. You need to understand yourself. It needs to be your authentic, original recognitions. And then it emerges on its own. That's what needs to be changed. It always starts with yourself. Then, as a consequence, stuff around you changes on its own. And me? I'm just putting up a frame. I'm just holding a mirror for you to see yourself, the deeper layers in this process. By the way, I'm living in Germany, in the very south, close to Zurich, and most of my patients we meet with video communication, Skype, and that works marvelously, even with deeply touching meditations. Each of us have an unlimited potential, actually far larger than we dare to imagine. And this needs to be tapped into, initiating it to let it unfold.